Number 10. Patan. Located in the western state of Gujarat, India, is an ancient fortified town with a rich historical and cultural heritage, making it an intriguing destination for travelers. The city is renowned for its exquisite patola silk saris, hand-woven with precision and considered a symbol of luxury. One of the main attractions in Patan is the Rani Ki Vav, an intricately carved stepwell that has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This magnificent structure showcases stunning sculptures and intricate designs, reflecting the city's architectural brilliance. Aside from Rani Ki Vav, Patan boasts several other historical gems, including Jain temples like Panchasara Parshwanath and Sahastralinga Talav, a reservoir with 1,000 Shiva lingas. Travelers can also explore the Patan Patola Heritage Museum, which provides insights into the traditional art of patola weaving and the history of the region. With its cultural treasures and ancient marvels, Patan offers a unique experience for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in Gujarat's vibrant past and artistic traditions.
Number 9. Vadodara. Also known as Baroda, is a captivating city located in the western state of Gujarat, India, offering a blend of history, culture, and modernity, making it an enticing destination for travelers. The city's main attraction is the magnificent Lakshmi Vilas Palace, one of the largest private residences in the world. Its Indo-Saracenic architecture, lush gardens, and impressive collections of artifacts and artworks make it a must-visit landmark. Art enthusiasts will enjoy visiting the Maharaja Fateh Singh Museum, housed within the palace complex, which exhibits an extensive collection of paintings, sculptures, and artifacts from various periods. Vadodara's vibrant cultural scene includes the Kirti Mandir, a memorial dedicated to the Gaekwad dynasty, and the Tumbikar Wada, an ornate heritage mansion showcasing traditional Gujarati architecture. The city's modern side can be explored at the Sayaji Gardens, a sprawling park featuring a zoo, museums, and a floral clock. Additionally, travelers can savor local delicacies at bustling street markets and restaurants, offering a taste of Gujarat's delectable cuisine. Overall, Vadodara offers a delightful blend of historical splendor, artistic treasures, and contemporary experiences, making it a rewarding destination for any traveler exploring the diverse tapestry of Gujarat.
Number 8. Bajaj. Situated in the western Indian state of Gujarat, is a fascinating destination that offers a glimpse into the region's rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. The city serves as the gateway to the famous Rann of Kutch, making it an essential stop for travelers exploring this unique landscape. Bajaj boasts a mix of historical landmarks and vibrant local markets. One of its prominent attractions is the Prag Mahal, an exquisite 19th-century palace with a blend of Italian Gothic and Indian architectural styles. Adjacent to it is the Aina Mahal, a former royal residence showcasing impressive mirrors, intricate glasswork, and traditional handicrafts. The city's bustling bazaars are a treasure trove for shoppers seeking exquisite textiles, embroidery, and traditional crafts like bandhani and Rogan art. Beyond Bajaj, travelers can venture into the nearby Banai villages, known for their distinct culture and craftsmanship. The region also hosts the annual Rann Utsav, a cultural festival celebrated on the White Salt Desert, offering a unique and vibrant experience. With its rich history, colorful markets, and proximity to the enchanting Rann of Kutch, Bajaj is a captivating destination that promises an immersive and unforgettable experience for travelers exploring the heart of Gujarat.
Number 7. Junagadh, situated in the western Indian state of Gujarat, is a city steeped in history and boasts a plethora of cultural and historical attractions for travelers to explore. The name Junagadh translates to Old Fort, referencing the imposing Uparkot Fort, an ancient citadel that serves as a prominent landmark in the city. Uparkot Fort is an architectural marvel, dating back to the 4th century BCE, and offers stunning views of Junagadh and the surrounding countryside. Within the fort complex, travelers can also find Buddhist caves and ancient stepwells. The city is home to the famous Ashoka's Rock Edicts, a series of inscriptions by Emperor Ashoka dating back to the 3rd century BCE, providing valuable insights into India's ancient history and Ashoka's principles. Other attractions in Junagadh include the beautiful Mahabhat Maqbara, an intricately designed mausoleum, and the Durbar Hall Museum, housing a fascinating collection of artifacts and exhibits from the region's royal past. Nature enthusiasts can visit the Sakurbagh Zoological Park, one of the oldest zoos in India, home to various wildlife species. With its rich historical sites, architectural wonders, and natural beauty, Junagadh presents an exciting and culturally immersive experience for travelers exploring Gujarat's heritage.
Number 6. Saputara is a serene hill station nestled in the western Ghats of Gujarat, India, offering a picturesque escape for travelers seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Perched at an altitude of around 1,000 meters, Saputara provides a pleasant climate throughout the year, making it an ideal destination for a refreshing retreat. The town is surrounded by lush green forests, waterfalls, and mist-covered valleys, providing ample opportunities for nature walks, trekking, and leisurely strolls amidst the captivating landscapes. The Saputara Lake is a popular spot for boating, and the sunset views from here are truly mesmerizing. Travelers can explore the tribal culture and handicrafts of the region at the Tribal Museum, which showcases the lifestyle and traditions of the local communities. Visiting the Saputara Botanical Garden allows travelers to witness a diverse range of flora and enjoy a relaxing time amidst nature. During the monsoon season, the region comes alive with lush greenery, and the Gira waterfalls become a prominent attraction. Saputara's calm and picturesque ambience makes it a perfect destination for a peaceful getaway, far from the hustle and bustle of city life, offering a rejuvenating experience for all types of travelers.
Number 5. Dwarkadish Temple, located in the coastal town of Dwarka in the state of Gujarat, India, is a prominent and revered Hindu pilgrimage site. It is dedicated to Lord Krishna, who is affectionately known as Dwarkadish, meaning the King of Dwarka. The temple holds immense religious significance as it is believed to be one of the Chardham pilgrimage destinations, essential for Hindus seeking spiritual salvation. According to mythology, Dwarka is believed to be the ancient kingdom of Lord Krishna, making the temple even more sacred for devotees. The architecture of the Dwarkadish temple is awe-inspiring, with its soaring spires and intricate carvings. The five-storied main shrine is a sight to behold and showcases a blend of Chalukyan, Rajput, and Mughal architectural styles. The temple attracts thousands of devotees and tourists alike, who come to seek blessings, marvel at the divine ambience, and immerse themselves in the rich religious heritage of India. The nearby Gomti Ghat and Rukmini Devi temple are also popular places to visit while exploring the spiritual aura of Dwarka.
Number 4. Somnath Temple, situated in the Prabhas Kshetra near Varaval in the state of Gujarat, India, is one of the most revered and ancient temples in the country. It holds immense religious significance for Hindus as it is dedicated to Lord Shiva, specifically as Lord Somnath, the Lord of the Moon. The temple's history dates back thousands of years, with several reconstructions due to invasions and natural calamities. Despite its tumultuous past, the temple stands today as a symbol of resilience and devotion. The architecture of the Somnath temple is a splendid blend of Chalukyan and Rajput styles, with its imposing structure and intricate carvings. The temple's location on the Arabian Sea coast adds to its charm, providing breathtaking views, especially during sunrise and sunset. As one of the 12 Jyotirlingas, shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva, Somnath attracts millions of pilgrims every year, seeking blessings and spiritual solace. The serene and sacred ambience of the temple, coupled with its historical and religious significance, makes it a must-visit destination for travelers exploring the cultural tapestry of Gujarat and the spiritual heritage of India.
Number 3. The Rann of Kutch is a mesmerizing salt marsh located in the Thar Desert of Gujarat, India. It is one of the largest salt deserts in the world, covering an extensive area that transforms into a stunning white landscape during the dry season. The Rann of Kutch is famous for the Rann Utsav, a vibrant cultural festival held annually between November and February. During this time, the region comes alive with colorful tents, cultural performances, handicraft stalls, and various activities, offering a unique and immersive experience for travelers. The vast expanse of the Rann provides an otherworldly setting for stargazing and witnessing breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. The seasonal wetlands of the area attract a variety of migratory birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers and wildlife enthusiasts. Visitors can also interact with the local communities, experiencing their unique lifestyle, crafts, and traditions. Additionally, activities like camel safaris, ATV rides, and experiencing the moonlit nights on the White Salt Desert make the Rann of Kutch an unforgettable destination for travelers seeking an extraordinary and offbeat experience in India.
Number 2. Gir National Park, located in the western Indian state of Gujarat, is a renowned wildlife sanctuary and the last abode of the Asiatic lion. Spanning across an area of approximately 1,412 square kilometers, the park is a critical conservation area for these majestic big cats. Travelers visiting Gir National Park have the rare opportunity to spot the critically endangered Asiatic lions in their natural habitat, making it a must-visit destination for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. Besides lions, the park is also home to a diverse range of fauna, including leopards, Indian gazelles, chinkara, spotted deer, cheetal, and various bird species. Visitors can embark on thrilling jeep safaris and lion tracking expeditions to observe these magnificent creatures up close. The park's rugged terrain and deciduous forests add to the adventure, making it an exciting and memorable wildlife experience. Gir National Park also offers a chance to appreciate the unique flora and fauna of the region, making it a well-rounded destination for travelers seeking an authentic wildlife encounter in the heart of Gujarat.
Number 1. Ahmedabad, the largest city in the state of Gujarat, India, is a vibrant metropolis with a rich history and a mix of modernity and tradition, making it an exciting destination for travelers. The city's historical heritage is reflected in its numerous landmarks, including the Sabarmati Ashram, once home to Mahatma Gandhi, and the intricately carved Adalaj Stepwell, showcasing stunning architectural brilliance. Ahmedabad is a hub of culture and arts, with various museums, art galleries, and cultural centers. The Calico Museum of Textiles is a must-visit for textile enthusiasts, displaying a vast collection of Indian fabrics and artifacts. The city's bustling bazaars and street markets offer an array of colorful textiles, handicrafts, and delicious street food, providing a delightful shopping and culinary experience. For spiritual seekers, Ahmedabad boasts an array of beautiful temples, mosques, and religious sites, including the seaside mosque, famous for its intricately carved jali, stone lattice, windows. The city's modern side is evident in its shopping malls, multiplexes, and contemporary infrastructure, creating a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern comforts. Ahmedabad's warm hospitality, diverse culture, and historical significance make it an alluring destination for travelers seeking an immersive experience in the heart of Gujarat. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon. Press the like button and share.